Let us start with the concatenate operator in RxJS. As the name suggests, it will take the list of observable and concatenate them and give you the final output that will be nothing but the output of each and every observables that you are giving as an input. So let us start with the simple example, and then we will get to see how we can utilize in our later term. So for creating the demo example, we are going to create an Angular application that I have already created and added a component, and we will simply do nothing but console.log all the values that are coming after the concatenation. So I've imported all the required libraries, and let me create. So this off will give you an observable that will emit all the values once you will subscribe. So now we have created the two observables, that is with the help of off, and we are just emitting the values 1 to 5 from one observable and 6 to 10 from the observable 2. So I have created the two observable and concatenated them. Let me see the output. So from the first observable we are getting the values from 5, and the second observable is emitting the values 6 to 10. So here the sequencing is very matter. If we are passing the observable 2 and observable 1, then this will emit in the same order that you are supplying the observables. Now in certain scenarios, suppose that we are getting some delay of 5 seconds, and you can check after 5 seconds you will get your desired output, which will be the concatenated of both variable. Now what if we are passing the observable that will be on delay first, and the second will not give any kind of delay. So observable 2 we are passing, it is having no delay, and for observable 1 it is having 5 seconds of delay. Then what will happen? It will emit all the values that has no delay and wait for the next observable and send you the all values after that. So in this way the sequencing is very matter, and also make sure that the observable that you are passing first have given some values, and then after that your observable 2 will be able to emit the values. So if I am giving observable 1 as first and observable 2, and that will make the delay of 5 seconds, and after that once the observable 1 will be able to emit all the values, after that the observable 2 will emit their value. So in any case, like when your when you are passing some HTTP request that has the values depend on observable one, then this will be the best case. Once your first request has been completed, then you can utilize that value, and maybe you have some initial data that you want to be completed and you want to retrieve all the initial data. After that you want to retrieve some more data based on some previous data, then you can go with this. So at least you will get to make sure like you have all the records, all the required data at the end, whatever you have been requested. Thank you so much.